everyone, just a quick video for you, quick update on my last video. As you know, I've been working on this bit here. This is done now. I don't know if you saw my last video, but you can see this was looking a bit rough. That's all been painted. Got a really nice seam all the way down the edge and around the skirting board, and redone this as well, which is I'm really pleased with the outcome. It's looking really good. To show you the other side, I still got this taped up just to keep the edges protected, but as you can see here, look, that nice seam all the way down, and as you can see, it goes around the skirting board all nicely. And I painted the skirting board and blended it in. Got a bit of a job to do here. Going to replace this bit here where these wires come out here for the weather station. They're actually going to come up and come out behind the actual weather station, so I'm going to shorten the wires so it's much neater. So it's getting there slowly. The next job is the uprights here. I've got a couple of super fast Cat 8, I don't know if you know what Cat 8 are, but they're the fastest internet cables for Ethernet that you can get. So I've got a couple of them that I've got to put in. One would be for my TV and one would be for the computer. So it's as fast as I can get it. I didn't want to have Wi-Fi in here. I wanted fast as I can get it. So I thought Ethernet cable, get it coming through. I got it for my TV in the living room, and I got it in the kitchen, which is where the PC is at the moment, temporary, and it's super fast. So so I thought let's do it in the shack as well. The G0SEC would be Wi-Fi, so that's not a problem. The next job is these uprights. Got quite a few of these to do. I've clamped them together so they're nice and straight, but then when I rub them down, they're all the same level. I've got quite a few of them to do, and that will take the support of the first shelf, and the audio rack. Some of the audio rack equipment for the RX audio would be under there, and the rest of the transmit audio rack would be here somewhere. And then I've got a 3mm board, which I'm going to mark out where the actual shelf is going to go, and I'm going to cut it with a Stanley knife, and then use that as a template for when my friend comes around and cuts the actual board. I'd love to be able to cut it myself, but I can't because I'm in too much pain with my condition that I've got. So it's getting there, folks. I know it's a bit of a slow process, but the whole bottom unit is now completed, which I'm really pleased about. And I've done a really cracking job. There's light units underneath there. I've got the backboard in. Done a really nice job on it. It's very ultra neat. It's taken a bit of a while to get this sorted out, so it's really nice and flat to the wall and sealed as well. I've done it actually with cut coke, and it's done a fantastic job. It's made it really, there was a little bit of a gap there, and I'm using a bit of coke and masking and stuff. It's got it really nice and neat looking, so I'm really pleased with that. This here would be for my CD and DVD rack, and I thought, well, how can I use that space? I don't know, I'll put my my DVDs and CDs in there that I use quite a lot. So I measured it properly, and I thought, yeah, that would be perfect for that. And on this side, well, this is where the printer would be. I didn't want the printer on the top taking up space, so the printer and sort of like some accessories I'll put in there. And at the moment, a few of the radio equipment, you'll see me something in the cupboard there, just temporary, and the rest of it is upstairs. Most of it's upstairs though, in storage. So that's the next job, and also getting these cables that come out of the filter down in here. You'll see there's a line here, and the cables, 8 of them, have to go in there, around the back, through the tubes, and ready at the perfect places, ready for all the radio equipment. So that's the next job. So it's a slow process, but actually getting there bit by bit. Hope you enjoyed the video, and look out for my next update. Speak to you soon, guys. G0SEC off and clear. Bye bye.